chasing stars that time can't bend. 1,000 roads beneath my feet, each one calling soft and sweet. Beyond the horizon, my spirit will fly. Through the questions, I touch the sky. Every truth I see, every door I find, opens my heart and frees my mind. I see the world through shifting light, each dawn a chance to make